Hey, Scott, 3% Woodworks. Well, today's video is chessboard, Walnut and Blue Epoxy from TableTop. It is also sponsored by TableTop. We've been working with them for a while, and I contacted them, said, hey, we're doing a pretty sweet chessboard for a client, and see what they could do. They sent us a care kit. What's the care kit come with? Comes with a 1-to-1 ratio. It's the TableTop epoxy. So basically, it's 1 part the resin and 1 part the hardener. The kit comes with a quart of each, and they send us a sweet sticker, some stir sticks, some measuring cups, and this pretty sweet hat. So thanks TableTop. You guys gotta check them out. They're top-notch epoxy company. That's all we use. So here's what it looks like. If you want to know how I build it, stay tuned, and we'll show you how to get it done. Thanks. What we're going to do is we're using walnut, and the epoxy is going to be blue per the customer. So got 2 different boards. One's about 1/8 inch and 1/8. The other one's about 3/4 inch. What we did was cut them down, into 2-inch strips. So after that, after cutting the two taller ones, I kept the grain going the same way. So once it's all milled, it'll look really nice. So this process, we'll glue this up, and then once it's glued up, we'll cut them in 2 more strips, and we'll show you how it's done. Was rip them back into strips of 2 inches wide and crisscrossed them. That way we get our checkered. The piece in here will be epoxied. Obviously the top will be flattened. That's how I made our checkerboard. Alright, so now, since we have the frame all done, now it's ready for epoxy. Everything's sanded, smooth. Time for the fun part. Got a little spraying bottle to get so it's not as messy. Got the epoxy. Got some cups and got our pigment. This one will be, of course, black diamond. We're using Cobalt Blue for the pigment, and it said 1-to-1 ratio, which means 1 part the hardener and 1 part resin. So we'll mix it up, get it stirred, and start pouring, see what happens. What it looks like. Got some blue in it. Stir it up. What you want to stir, make sure all the bubbles are out. All right, so we got it mixed up, got it squirted in this bottle. Now time to have some fun. Alright, so once you get everything done, poured, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the bubbles out. So take a heat gun, go over the epoxy and get the bubbles out. Alright, so got it all done before we do the oiling. What we did is, after it's all done, dried up, we took it to the sander, started with 80 grit, went all the way to 320. So 80, 100, 120, 150, 180, 220, all the way to 320. Nice and smooth. And next we'll be putting a finish on this for the client, and it'll be all done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have any questions, comment below, and I'll answer whatever you need to know. Thanks. All right, everyone. So got it all sanded. It's ready for the seal. This project we're using marine spar varnish. We'll probably put 3 or 4 coats on it, and sand between coats. I like using a foam brush, but thought I had some stock, but I used them all up. So I use a brush. You want to stir, don't want to shake this stuff. So stir it up, and we'll see what it looks like. Looks amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell for new updates on videos. Have a good day.